This is Bashkir language for English speakers, lesson number 4. You see, it is rather dark now, and so this lesson will not be very long. And today, in this short lesson, we will speak about letter R in Bashkir alphabet. Letter R. So, Bashkir alphabet has letter G and R. These letters are different. Letter G and R. You have to understand the difference. But first of all, you have to memorize some words in Bashkir language which begins with letter R. So, let's start. Gaile, family. Gaile. Galim, scientist. Galim. Galim Gulama, scientists. Galim Gulama. Dhur Galim, big scientist. Dhur Galim. Galam, universe. When you want to say universe, you can use the word Galam. Galam. Ghashik, the person who loves somebody. Ghashik. Or you can say to fall in love, Ghashik Bulow. Ghashik Bulow means fall in love. And Ghashik is the person who loves somebody. Ghashik. Ghinwar, January. Ghinwar, January. Ghurur, pride. Ghurur, pride. For example, I am pride man. I am pride of something. I am pride man. You can say this in Bashkir language. You can use min ghurur kishe. Ghurur kishe, pride man. Ghurur kishe, pride man. Ghurur wano, to be pride. Ghurur wano, to be pride. Ghuruf ghadet, customs. Ghuruf ghadet, customs. Ghumar, life. Ghumar, life. So you have to memorize this word. It is very often used. Ghumar, life. Ghumar. Ghumar da, never. Ghumar da. It's very interesting. For example, Ghumar means life, but Ghumar da means never. Ghumar da, never. For example, if you want to say I never told this, you can say min bana Ghumar da aytkanim yo'q. Min bana Ghumar da aytkanim yo'q. I never told this. Min bana Ghumarda aytkanim yo'q. Ghumarli. Odon Ghumarli bulow. To live during long time. Odon Ghumarli bulow. To live during long time. For example, I will live for a lot of years. For example, 100 or more years. So, for example, it means you can use this word Gumerle, Gumerle, Odon Gumerle below, to live during long time. Gadil, fair, Gadil. Gadil, fair, Gadilik, fairness, Gadilik. Gadilik, fairness, Gadilik. Gadil hidlik, unfairness. Gadil hidlik, unfairness. Gadati, ordinary. Ghazarti, ordinary. You know ordinary shares and preference shares. So, ordinary shares are ordinary shares and preference shares are preference shares. And you can say ordinary ghazarti, ghazarti. Okay, and ghazarta, usually. Ghazarta, usually. Ghazarta, usually. Ghazarta gisa, as usual. As usual. For example, you can say I stand up at 6 o'clock in the morning as usual. Usually I stand up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, if you want to translate this into Bashkir language, you can use the word Ghadatta. Ghadatta mean 6 saatda toram. Ghadatta mean 6 saatda irtan toram. Usually I stand up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The next word is Ghajab, surprisingly. Ghajab, surprisingly. Ghazis, deer. Ghazis. For example, if you want to say dear friend, Ghazis Duth. Duth is translated as friend and Ghazis is translated as dear. Dear friend, Ghazis Duth. Dear friend, Ghazis Duth. And you can use the word Ghamal, which is translated as action. Ghamal, action. Ghamal. And you can use the word Gharlik if you want to say shame. It's a shame for you. When you use shame, you can say the word Gharlik. Bona Gharlik. It's a shame. Bona Gharlik. And you can say Ghafu. It means sorry. For example, Ghafu is translated as sorry, to be sorry. And if you want to say I am sorry, you have to say Ghafu itegeth. So Ghafu itegeth, I am sorry. Ghafu itegeth, I am sorry. Okay, so you know that Bashkir language has a letter Gh. You can see this letter on your screen. Letter Gh. Gh. And we memorized some words which begins with this letter Gh today. So, know this Bashkir letter Gh, and it was lesson number 4 of Bashkir language for English speakers. And I wish you good luck and see you next time. Goodbye. Houborgeth. Houborgeth. Goodbye. Houborgeth.